Hello, everyone. I'm Colin.
And I'm Pia, and we're here to bring whatever messages Laarkmaa wishes to share with the world today.
And or other voices, if they choose to speak today.
Hello, dear ones. We are Laarkmaa, and we are here because we love you. So, many of you have felt the waves of energy that came through. Equinox arrived yesterday, the beginning of spring and the true new year, the beginning of a larger waves of consciousness arriving so that you can expand if you choose to pay attention. Many of you saw ships in the sky over this weekend. You would see us blinking lights at you. Some of you could actually feel our presence among you. And a handful of you have actually seen us and recognized who we are. So, things are indeed shifting. We cannot promise you anything because this is a planet of choice. But we have always told you, when you open your heart, when you remember who you are, and when you raise your frequency, then you're able to communicate with other realms, such as where we are. And so now this process is unfolding and beginning. Some of you, as we already said, have felt a major shift, have seen things, known things, heard things, understood things that were not so obvious before, but only lived in your mind. All of this is shifting and changing. You will see more and more opportunities to expand your awareness as these energies continue to come in waves. We remind you that what we have always guided you to do is a basic principle of in lak'ech, which is I am another yourself, not judging yourself or others, but recognizing the divinity in each and every one of you as you remember who you are. Ahimsa, which is to do no harm, kill nothing, lie to no one, do not steal, do not cause any kind of harm to anyone. Ahimsa. And take personal responsibility for everything you think, say, and do, because you are co-creators of what comes next. In taking that responsibility, you must, as we have been discussing, lose your old belief systems, open your hearts to broader perspectives, and always, always walk the way of love. You're moving more towards unity. And even though the world around you may seem to be falling down or breaking apart or taking on a trajectory that does not align with who you are choosing a different path. You've already made that choice, and it's becoming easier for you after all the struggle that you've been through, particularly in the last month or 6 weeks. Things are increasingly becoming more obvious to you. What is real, what is not, what you're guided to do, and what you step away from. All of these things we remind you of with congratulations for stepping through the portal in yesterday's energy. If you're choosing to watch this now, some part of you is energetically aligned with what is going on the planet, where we are in your midst, and everything else that has to do with your being a being of light, and all of us beings of light from other realms who are here to support you. Now get ready because more and more excitement is coming your way. We tell you always we are here sprinkling stardust, and as your frequency increases to arise in higher and higher levels, as you follow the principles of what we have suggested, you will notice more and more that disclosure is not necessary. We are here. Those of you watching and whose frequency is high after yesterday know, feel, and accept this. So look for grander and more exciting things to come. We love you. Good always. That was a pretty good summation of some of the things we've been experiencing, and we know some of you have been experiencing them also. So we continue this journey, moving slowly or quickly, however we choose, on this ascension path.
I think what Laarkmaa just gave all of us is the understanding that things are changing. They are changing more rapidly. Our awarenesses are growing. our intuition, our telepathy, our otherworldly connections are increasing day by day by day. So I think what Laarkmaa's trying to help us with is to understand that we're not who we were. We are becoming the new humans. We are becoming a much more,
may I say, the new and expanded energetic biological humans?
I think that is an absolutely good description of who we are and who we're remembering who we are.
So we'll see you again soon.
All right.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye for now. Check out our books, card deck, calendars, and articles at laarkmaa.com. That's LAARKMAA.com.